Make money online instantly? How about get paid $1 in 3 minutes? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we're going to cover in today's video. How you can make $1 in 3 minutes, and best of all, this is worldwide and you can do this again and again. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, this is going to be a quick one, so make sure you stick around and watch the whole thing here so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with this opportunity that I'm going to share with you here today. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But this is perfect opportunity to get started, to make some extra money, and best of all, this is worldwide. As I said, you can do this again and again and you make money instantly. Let's get started. Alright, so the site that we are going to today is surveytime.io. surveytime.io, and it is about taking surveys, and you get instantly rewarded, as you can see here, for completing online surveys. Really simple. You can fill in the application here. I'm just gonna click it so you can see, but you can basically choose if you want to sign in with Facebook, Google or Twitter with your Gmail account. And to find out a little bit about the details here, how it works is that you sign up and answer a short list of questions to create your profile. You complete the survey selected specifically to match your profile, and you get paid $1 immediately for each survey you complete. So this is really nice. No matter the duration of the survey, there might be a survey that will take you 5 minutes, there is another for 2, and there is another for 10. They basically have the same payout, but as I said, you get paid instantly, so this is really nice. Okay, so you can see here, no more waiting. Targeted surveys are specifically selected to match your interest. So it all depends on, of course, the details that you will have to fill in when you sign up there. If you have a quick look at the frequently asked questions, how does it work? So after signing up to Survey Time, you will answer a few questions to help us create your profile, and we offer you the surveys that fits your interests. Then you can start taking surveys and earning $1 for each one you complete successfully. And where can I redeem my $1 reward? Now, there are different gift cards available for each country. For example, in the US, you have the options of Amazon, PayPal, Target and Decathlon. And after choosing your reward, you need to follow the instructions. We'll send you a confirmation, so it depends on the rewards you choose there. Now, how and when will I get notified about new surveys? There are a number of ways in which you can be notified about new surveys. You can choose between text, email, web notifications, so you can turn it on and while you answer the initial questions actually. Or you can check the Survey Time website to see what new surveys they have available there. What happens if I fail to complete the survey? If you couldn't successfully complete the survey, you will be offered other available surveys that may interest you. So don't worry so much if you miss it first time. You will have a second chance, of course. So pretty simple and straightforward. Here are just a quick look inside here. There are different surveys. This one is a consumer opinion study. It takes 8 minutes. This one survey for you, 6 minutes. Current view survey, 5 minutes. So they are different, and there is sometimes for 2-3 minutes also. So as I said, you get paid the same amount, but you get paid instantly. So that is super nice. I also did a quick review. I found this from paidfromsurveys.com. Credits goes to this site here. And you can see here, there you go, there is 2 minutes actually for this survey. And it has quite a good reputation actually, so they do pay out. I've seen a few here, so you can see I have tried to get $1 for 2 minutes and also got $1 for a 7 minutes. So there's nothing that says that you will, it might take you a few minutes, but it doesn't matter. You get paid $1, it's the same amount, but as I said, you get paid instantly. So that is really cool and nice. So there you have it on how you can make $1 in 3 minutes worldwide, and you can do this again and again. As I said in the beginning, you're probably not going to get rich with this opportunity here. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value of this video, I really appreciate if you smash the like button below. It really helps. Make sure you subscribe to both my channels that you will see at the end screen here. Both are related and both are mine, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.